Hello, welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. My name is Elise, but you might know me as Stamper Girl. I am kicking off a YouTube video giveaway hop. We are celebrating Christmas in July with the Kat Scrappiness team. Our creative crew video team has some beautiful projects using some of the Kat Scrappiness holiday items from the store. Hop along today for a chance to win a $15 gift certificate to Kat Scrappiness. This is a hashtag-driven hop. To enjoy all the videos in the hop, just click on the hashtag on the title. Hashtag KSXmas in July. If for some reason that doesn't bring all the videos, every stop will have direct links to each stop in the description box below. We would love if you visit each stop, leave a like and a comment on each video. If you enjoy the video content and project, please consider subscribing to each designer's channel. After you're done with the hop, you can open any of the description box on the videos to find the link to officially enter on this giveaway. To enter, you will need 1 to sign up for the Kat Scrappiness newsletter, and number 2, you need to click and fill up the raffle copter. The projects you're seeing in this video are from the amazing social media team. This team features their projects on Instagram, Facebook, and their blogs, so we wanted to give them some YouTube love. If you are loving these products, you should join us on IG, where we have another hop and another chance to win. The deadline for the hops are July 30th. If a project or product has caught your eye, you can now shop from right here in YouTube. Right below the description box, or if your description box is open, it will be above the box. There is a row with all the products used on these projects and link directly to the Kat Scrappiness store. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to hop along all the other videos. The winner will be announced after July 30th. If you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you will know when we upload videos to our channel. Come and check back after July 30th to see if you are our lucky winner. And remember, don't leave your crafting for tomorrow. Start today.